At least 13 scientists and military personnel have disappeared or died under suspicious circumstances since 2022 in the United States. What these 13 individuals had in common was their classified expertise in strategic areas such as nuclear energy or aerospace. These mysterious disappearances and deaths have drawn the attention of American congressmen, and the FBI is still investigating to try to find out what is happening. One of the military personnel was scheduled to testify before the U.S. Congress about his knowledge of the recovery of alien spacecraft and the bodies of their crew, but died 4 days before his commitment. It's too big a coincidence not to raise the suspicion of congressmen and subsequently the FBI as well. Another striking coincidence was the disappearance of a military man who left his cell phone, wallet, and glasses at home and left with his weapon. On February 27th, his wife called the police because of his disappearance. This military man was the head of the laboratory where the military man who died 4 days before his commitment to the U.S. Congress worked. Another striking coincidence was that another scientist, who died under circumstances not yet fully clarified, was conducting research on the development of anti-gravity propulsion vehicles. She was convinced that the aliens were not extraterrestrials, but beings from the future and descendants of our humanity. No one knows what is happening. Not even the FBI has been able to discover what is going on. But we can try to imagine some possibilities. Perhaps some kind of war is occurring between different agencies or government sectors within the United States. In this conjecture, seismic tremors originating from Area 51, recently detected, could be related to an attempt to destroy facilities with evidence of alien spacecraft and bodies before congressmen were authorized to investigate the site. Another possibility is that there's a race between different countries to impede each other's scientific and technological advancement. But the most frightening possibility would be that aliens are involved in these events against scientists and military personnel. At least 2 scientists have claimed they have been targeted by directed energy weapons. If directed energy weapons are not developed by any nation on Earth, perhaps we are the target of an attempt to impede our development, or we may be in a war between different groups that have been warring against each other through time. If you enjoy topics related to space, the possibility of intelligent alien life, and the future of humanity, Avi Loeb is the author of the book Interstellar, The Search for Extraterrestrial Life and Our Future in the Stars. If you are interested, the link to the Audible audiobook is in the description. Thanks for watching.